Hello students, in previous video I have given 3 tricks to remember genetic code. Now in this video I am going to explain you how to solve questions related to genetic code using those 3 tricks. Okay, this is first type of question. This type of question is also given in NCERT exercise. Okay, so if the following is the sequence of nucleotides in mRNA, predict the sequence of amino acids present in protein coded by it. So this is the sequence of mRNA which are in the form of, all these nucleotides are in the form of triplet codons. So let's see first codon. So AUG. So we have to locate this codon where it is present in genetic code table. So what I gave you first trick is to find the column in which this triplet codon is present. So here how we can find, by observing the second base U. So if the second base is U, it is present in first column. If the second base is C, it is present in second column. If the second base is A, it is present in third column. If the second base is G, it is present in fourth column, like this. So as the second base is U, it is present in first column. So now we have to find in which box it is present in first column. So to find that, we have to apply second trick. Second trick is to find the triplet codon in which box it is present exactly in that particular column. So if the first base, by observing the first base, we can find whether it is present in first box of that particular column, second box, or third or fourth box. So if it is U, if the first base is U, it is present in first box. If the first base is C, it is present in second box. If the first base is A, it is present in third box. If it is G, it is present in fourth box. So as it is A, it is present in third box. Next, coming to third trick. Third trick is to find or to locate the triplet codon, to find the number of triplet codon present in that particular box of that particular column, depending upon the type of third base present in that triplet codon. If the third base present in a triplet codon is U, it is the first codon present in that particular box of that particular column. If it is C, second codon. If it is A, third codon. If it is G, fourth codon. So this is fourth codon present in third box of first column. Now let's see in genetic code table. So this is AUG present in, this is the fourth codon, 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth codon present in third box, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Third box of first column. Right. It codes for what? It codes for methionine. So how can we identify that it codes for methionine? Already I told you. Already I gave you. You need to remember like this. So in first column, 2 codons code for phenylalanine. Next 2 codons leucine. Next 4 codons leucine. 3 codons isoleucine, methionine 1. Like this, if we remember all these amino acids, we can translate triplet. We have to locate the triplet codon where it is present, and then we can translate the triplet codon into amino acid. Right. Now coming to second codon. Second codon. Let's locate it first, where it is present in genetic code table. So first observe the second base. Second base is C. So it is present in second column. Second column. So now first base. First base is U. So it is present in first box of second column. First box of second column. Now third base. Observe third base is A. Third base is A, na? So it is the third codon. Third codon present in first box of second column. So UCA. Let's see where it is present. So this is UCA. So UCA is present in second column. In second column also it is present in first box, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 boxes, na? First box. And then which codon? Third codon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Third codon. So it codes for what? serine. All the 4 codons anyway codes for serine present in this box. Okay, so like this we translated this one also. Now coming to third one, that is CAG. Now let's translate that CAG. CAG now. So observe second base, center base of the triplet codon. It is A, na? So it is present in third column. Third column. C, no? First base is now C. Present in second box. UCAG. Second box. UCAG. Now third base you observe G. So it is present as fourth codon. Fourth codon. So this is the fourth codon present in the second box of third column. So let's see third column where it is present. CAG. Here it is. So it is the fourth codon. Fourth codon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth codon present in second box, first box, second box, third box, fourth box. Second box of third column. First column, second column, third column. Okay, so it codes for what? Glutamine. It codes for glutamine. So now it codes for what? Glutamine. GLN. Next, like this you translate all these codons into amino acids. Like this, methionine first, then second one codes for serine, then glutamine. Now UGC. UGC na G. Center base is G, means last column, fourth column. Fourth column. And first base is U, means first box. And so last column UGC. First box, and last base of this triplet codon is C. C means it is the second codon. So second codon present in first box of fourth column. UGC. Second codon UGC. Second codon present in first box of fourth column. First, second, third, fourth. So second codon present in first box of fourth column. So it codes for what? Cysteine. Like this we have to translate. Cysteine. Now cysteine. CYS. Next, GGA. G means fourth column. Second base, fourth column. Again G, so fourth box. Fourth box. A, UCAG. So third codon. So this is the third codon present in fourth box of fourth column. GGA. So this is GGA. Third codon. 1, 2, 3. Third codon present in fourth box of fourth column. Fourth column. So like this we have to translate. It codes for what? Glycine. Glycine. Last codon is anyway stop codon. UAG. UAA, UAG and UGA are stop codons. We need not locate. Stop codons. So this is about solving the question related to genetic code and another type of question. This is one type of question. Now we have seen a question when the mRNA chain having triplet codons is given, we have to translate it into amino acid sequence present in a protein. Next, second type of question. So second type of question. If the following is the sequence of amino acids in a protein or polypeptide chain, predict the nucleotide sequence of mRNA from which it is formed. So this is the amino acid sequence present in protein chain. Now we have to find the nucleotide sequence present in mRNA from which it is formed. How can we find? First, methionine. Anyway, methionine, we know initiator codon, that is AUG. Very simple. Next, aspergine. Aspergine is coded by 2 codons. Where this aspergine is present? So in this case, we have to go to this columns. Aspergine. Aspergine is present in here. So 2 codons. Anyway, column 3 na, what will be the center base? A. A. And first base will be this one. A. Last base. First 2 codons na, last base AAU, AAC. AAU, AAC. Let's check in this table. See here, AAU, AAC codes for an amino acid aspergine. Aspergine, right? Like this we have to translate. So both the codons you have to write, AAU and AAC. Both the codons you have to write here. Next, coming to ASP. I already told you, you should not get confused between ASN, that is aspergine, and aspartic acid. Now ASP. ASP, where it is present? In the same column. In the same column, na? So center base is A. And first, same column but in the fourth box. So first base, what we have to write? We have to write G. G. Last base, what we have to write? First 2 codons, na? So UC. So like this, you have to write all the codons. Now isoleucine. Isoleucine is coded by 3 codons. 3 codons. Where it is present actually in first column. First column, na? So what is the center base of first column? U. And it is coded by first 3 triplet codons of the third box. First 3 triplet codons of third box. Third box means what is the nucleotide base? A. Like this. And then first 3 triplet codons of the third box present in first column. First 3 triplet codons, na? U, C, A. Now let's see. Isoleucine coded by AUU, AUC, AUA. Like this you have to write all the codons. Next, coming to glycine. So glycine is coded by 4 codons. 4 codons. So that is the last box. Last box of fourth column. So fourth column, na, what we have to write? G as center base. G as center base. Okay, last box, na, again G as first base. Okay. Now all the 4 codons, na, U, C, A, G. Now coming to serine. Serine is coded by how many codons? 6 codons. 6 codons. Okay. So where it is present? See, second column, first box, all the 4 codons. First you write the nucleotide base for second column. What is that nucleotide base for second column? Nucleotide base for second column is C. So C, 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 all the 4 codons. Next, first nucleotide base for first box. U, 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 U. Next, last base. U, C, A, G. Serine is also coded by 2 more codons, which are present in the third box of fourth column. Third box of fourth column. So fourth column, na, what is the center base? Fourth column means what is the center base? Center base is G, G. Okay. Third box, na, what is the first base? A. First 2 codons, na, what is the third base? U, C. Like this you have to translate amino acids into codons. That is protein chain containing amino acids into an mRNA containing triplet codons. And after translating like this, after transcripting like this, you have to observe the options and then go to choose the correct option. So this is about two types of questions related to genetic code, which we solved by using 3 tricks which I have given in the previous video. Thank you, students.